Yeah, you cooked his dinners and you raised his children, and still he's not satisfied. He says, I'd rather switch with you. You don't know how hard it is to work from 9 to 5. But he speaks with his eyes closed, and even though you're not alone, he's never there to be with you. And you remember when you were young, well, that was new and it was fun. Now every corner's filled with dust. But you're not coming home tonight. You just took the train and you left without a way. You figured he'd never let you leave anyway. And now you're sitting on that train, seeing life in a new way. And every forest sings a song, one for the heartbroken lovers and one for the dreamers. And then there's one just for you. The wind's been humming on it all day, and the soil lies awake, waiting for its drum solo. 'Cause you